everyone, it is April 6th and I'm going to be making dinner. I currently have this giant fish in this pot and it's defrosting. This is a lemon, right? Okay, I finished my salmon, but it doesn't look super pretty because I had to cut it because I wasn't able to flip it. But that's the salmon, and then I made these asparagus. First bite.
This is the only part of your vlog I'm gonna watch.
Oh my gosh. Good? Jeez, just shovel as much as you can in your mouth.
She always eats. She always eats like that. Like a dude.
Mom, try it.
Good. Chili onion crunch. Asparagus, salmon.
Look at what he's wearing.
Okay. Please take that off.
What?
You, of all people. That's an insult to Harvard University.
Excuse me?
Alfred, I just dropped bones. Good.
Hey Dad, tell me your thoughts. Knowing Daddy's probably gonna make a dumb face.
It's already dumb. With this Harvard sweatshirt.
Oh my.
I think he likes it. That's how Taryn eats.
Jeez. Okay guys, today I'm going to make the best chicken tortilla soup recipe. It's a very new recipe, so we shall see how it goes. Okay, first I'm going to be roasting some corn so that we can have it in the soup. Garlic salt.
It comes out really fast.
You just don't have a good hand with it.
Somebody used it and just dumped out. It was you.
No, that was not me. That's me with the dressing. Ooh, it looks kind of funny with the pepper. It's like they have eyeballs, like this fish. Okay, now I'm going to chop an onion, cilantro, and some garlic. Ah, I'm gonna cry. Oh. I almost killed myself. Now I am going to saute everything that I just cut up in this pan.
"4 hours of instruction time," and he said, what, 1 to 3 hours, so you should be given 1 to 3 hours of work.
I accidentally actually touched the camera.
So I just crack up because you know, you talk about Orange Unified and stuff. Is there a difference? Maybe, maybe not.
I don't know. It depends on the school.
You know, I
You
got.
guys would be considered a low functioning school.
Cooking and filming is so hard. My corn.
What's cream of tartar?
Okay, I need to shred this chicken. My dad is shredding the chicken for me. I did this much. Oh wait, I forgot the tortilla chips in there.
Tastes good.
Okay, mother, I need to get soup. Wow, that looks so good. Just the presentation.
Tastes like something you would get in the restaurant.
Oh my god, that sounded so fake! That's because my dad said it before, but I shut the camera off.
Good.
She might.
Tastes like just from a restaurant.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
She just woke up. I'm going to try my soup. My dad liked it so much he wanted a second helping.
Only because I'm starving. I'm joking, it is very good.
It was pretty good. Travis said that his dad makes really good chicken tortilla soup. So Mr. Fukumoto better watch out because this is pretty good.
I'm really craving.
Alright, tonight.
chocolate
Oh my
donut.
god.
Get your work.
Okay, tonight I'm going to make this vegan carrot cake banana bread. It is healthy, vegan, and oil-free.
Oh my.
Alright, I'm making my carrot cake.
You need help?
No.
Good.
I'm gonna do the wet
Nobody wants a
ingredients
chocolate
first.
donut?
Oh my god, Dad.
Huh? You want one?
Oh shoot, do we have maple syrup or honey? Okay, a 4th cup of milk.
Dad, you're so dumb. We're all like, Dad, shut up, let's go, blah. Lindsay's like, no one wants a donut. And he goes, oh, do you want a chocolate donut?
Oh my gosh, that was perfect!
Oh, that mask hurt my ears. They
Email.
stretched out.
Please, no emails.
What do I have to do next? I have to do oil, even though the recipe says it's oil free, but it says either use more milk or oil, but I don't have enough milk, so oil it is.
It smells so good now.
Oil, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Okay, a 1/2 cup of syrup.
Shit. Are we gonna play poker?
Wait, can you put this one back too, please? Thank you.
Oh my god.
Teaspoon of baking soda.
way.
Mama's perfect. He has no warts.
But Lewis's came back.
Yeah, Lucy's came
So tell him.
like that.
Oh my god. You should just unscrew it.
3/4 of baking powder.
Can I get this? $20.
3/4 of salt. Everyone in my vlog is gonna see what my family's like. Talking about wars.
I don't know.
Talk about chocolate.
Oh, what?
What? Stupid. Shut up. You're the only person in this whole room that's a dude.
I don't know what else said.
Jock itch.
Oh my god.
See, we don't even know what that is. I think so.
Okay, I'm gonna add in my bananas. Oh! What's going in there? I don't know. It's fine. Oh! Oh my god! Alright, gotta mash those in.
I have to restart my potatoes.
My mom so graciously grated up a 1/2 cup of carrots for me. I never knew that carrot cake had actual carrots in it.
Why do you think they call it carrot?
I thought because they just decorated it with like icing carrots. Oh my god, I used the wrong one. This is what the batter looks like. Very orange. She's done. You guys, I made this icing for the carrot cake and it's so good. Oh my gosh.
No, don't waste it. Why? Don't throw it away.
Fell on the ground.
Giggle.